My name's Nicole. I started inventing hair accessories a long time ago because I wanted something for myself that stayed in, felt good, didn't rip my hair out, something that I didn't have to adjust every 5 minutes, and something that I couldn't feel. I have a very tender head, and I hate wearing conventional hair accessories because they hurt.
I'd like to show you my latest invention. It's called the ponyo. It's a circular piece, and it doesn't stretch like your typical hair elastic does. It bends. So what you do is you draw your hair back in a ponytail, use 2 fingers to feed your hair through just once, then let your hair drop, fold it flat, and then use 2 thumbs, both your thumbs, to bend each end down separately. The solid copper core in this piece makes this so secure that it does not slide. It doesn't matter what hair type you've got, whether you're really thick, whether you're curly, fine, this will hold rock solid. It also feels so comfortable. It's like you have nothing in your hair. It makes your hair look super thick and full. And when you take it out, this is the best part. You open it wide and it slides right out without ripping your hair out.
You're gonna love how easy these are. Try ponyo hair accessories. Whether your hair is thick or fine, curly or straight, short or long, these are gonna work for you.